My name is Yasmin Rahmafatia, and I'm here to making a tutorial how to make login multi-user in PHP and MySQL. So first, we're gonna make sure that your XMPP start file, the Apache and MySQL, and then you go to localhost phpMyAdmin, and then we're gonna make a new database. You can click here, new, and then we're gonna create a new database. I'm gonna make it multi-user like this. Just click create, and database has been created. And then we're gonna make table. First I'm gonna make admin, and it's just 3, we need 3, and then create. And name it first is login underscore ID, it's integer and it's just 11. And for the second is username is varchar and it's 25. And then for the password it's varchar2 and it's 30. Okay, and then in index, below index, or in AI, you can just checklist for make it primary key, the login ID. And then you can save. Okay, it's already done. So you can go to Visual Studio Code. Then you can open folder from the place that you keep that your XMPP file, and then go to htdocs, and then making a new folder, new blank folder right there. And I'm already inside the folder. Its name is multi-user, and then we're gonna make a new file right here, and the name is connection.php. We can enter, and you can add syntax PHP, and then the first one we're gonna make $db host, it's localhost, and then $db user, it's root, and then $db password, we're gonna let them blank, it's empty, and then $name. DB name, this is for database, and then the database name that we made before in PHP MyAdmin is multi-user, like this, and then don't forget dot and comma, and then we're gonna try it with $connection equal MySQL connect. We're gonna connect it, and then you can just build with all of this db host, db user, db name, db pass, and then db name. And then we're gonna try it with if $connection start, and then the echo will set that connection success, like this, and then the else, the echo will say that connection failed. And then you can control save, and we go to browser, and then you can type the folder multi-user, then slice the connection.php, the name of the file, and you can enter. The connection is success. And then we're gonna try with the other way. We're gonna erase it, and then this we're gonna make die connection failed, like this, and we're gonna add exclamation point and then control save, and we're gonna refresh this, and you can see it's blank, right? It's empty because this exclamation point is for the opposite and the connection is not filled and it doesn't show anything. Then we're gonna make a new file and fill that with login.php. Enter. And right here we're gonna add exclamation point for syntax HTML like this, and then enter, and you already have the HTML syntax, and change it into login. In the body we're gonna make div with id app like this, and then we're gonna make form that, and right here we're gonna add action and just blank, and then method post. I'm gonna add tag input. The type it is text, and then the name is username, and the class is input. And then we're gonna add placeholder with enter username like this. It will show up when you want to click. It's like and then we're gonna add space for the paragraph like this, and then in right here I'm gonna add value with syntax PHP inside of that like this, and then you can add echo dollar username like this. And then you can copy. I'll test it down for 3, but for the value it's just for the username like this, and then for this you can change your control D for 2, and then you're gonna change into password like this. Then for the last, the name is login, and you're gonna enter the value. The value is login to system like this, and the input type is submit like this, and you don't need BR because it's the lowest. And then you can control save and loop, change right here, into login, and it's alright. Okay, the next is we can make new file for style.css. Right here we're gonna add the star like this. Just follow me. You can control save and then go back to login. You can add right here in the div. And then below the login, for the title, we can add the link for style CSS that we made before. Link below the title in the head, link rel for style.css. And you can save and see that you can connect with the PHP right here. Like this. And you can include the connection.php and dot comma and then $username equal blank like this, and $password same, and then $ERR line 2, and then we're gonna try if is set $pause login. It's from login. This login is from this type of submit. So if we click this login, it will be running. And then $username equal $pause with username like this, and same with the password like this. And then if the username equal it's not field, or the password equal it's not field, and then we're gonna running $ERR dot equal we're gonna add with Lee please enter username and password like this. And then if it's empty, the ERR, and then gonna make $SQL1 equal and select from admin where username equal $username like this. And then we continue make Q1 equal MySQL query, the $connection and $SQL1 dot comma, and then last we're gonna make $R1 equal MySQL fetch array. It's for $Q1, and then we're gonna make if $R1 is the password exclamation point equal MD5 password $password like this, and then it will run $ERR dot equal with Lee, and it will come account login form like this, and then if empty the ERR, I'll make $session admin username and then equal $username like this. Then for the header, it's for the location. The location is admin underscore front dot php and then dot comma, and then we're gonna exit. With this, you can control save. Or this is or. Okay, you can control save. And then we're continuing in PHP my admin. I'm gonna insert, and the username is admin, and the password is like 12345 like this, and then you can click go. I have one right here, see? And then we go back into Visual Studio Code. You go down, and in below this page, login page, in the H1, we're gonna add syntax PHP like this, and then enter, and inside the PHP, we're gonna fill with if $ERR like this, enter, and then the echo will gonna add wall, tag wall, and then $ERR. You can control save, and right here we're gonna return the value. The value is PHP and then echo $username like this, and you can control save, and you can see in browser. We're gonna try to add this. It's already in style CSS. Add admin 12345 and log into system, and this is the result. We go to admin front. Yeah, I'm gonna change it into login again. Then we go to Visual Studio Code, and right here in the login, we're gonna add session start like this, and then if is set $_session like this, and then admin username, and then the header is location in admin front .php like this. Then we can close this. Don't forget the can control save. And next we're gonna add a couple file for new file. Right here, I'm gonna make a new file. This, then header.php, and right here to make the exclamation point, enter, and right here we're gonna add div with app. If it doesn't work, we just use div. Yeah, it doesn't. Div and then the ID is app, and then we're gonna block right here. We can control X for cut, then save. Then we make new file for footer.php, enter, and then we're gonna paste right here. Okay, you can save. Then we can make new file admin front.php. Yes, like this. And then we can go to header again, and in the top we're gonna add syntax PHP, this, and the session start, and include the connection .php, and then if we make the exclamation point is at $session admin underscore username, and then the header location in login.php, and then don't forget to dot and comma. And you can save and we'll move to admin front, and then we can add syntax PHP like this, and right here we're gonna include the header.php dot and comma, and then we're gonna alt shift down. This is for footer, and in the middle we put h1 like first page, and right here we're gonna enter welcome to the first page like this. Control save, and let's see. And admin 1 2 3 4 5 log into system, and we're right here, first page. Welcome to the first page. Okay, go back again. Then we're gonna style it, but before that I want to make it small. This, and then we go back into header, and then right here we're gonna add link to style CSS, right, like that, and then we're gonna add nav, enter, then all, enter, then Lee, and in Lee we have anchor tag. The ref is admin front.php, and then this is first page like this, and we're gonna copy like this 5, and then we're gonna erase it to teacher Then this is for student. This is for SPP, and this is gonna add logout like this, and this is teacher. It's student, and it's SPP like this, and this is for logout, and control save, and then we go to style.css, and right here I'm gonna add nav all, and then the list style type is none, and then the margin is 0, then the padding is 0, and then overflow hidden like this, and then for the nav will the float left, and then for the nav will a no nav will a, yeah, like this, and then the display is inline block, and then padding 10px, and then the color is just white, yeah, white, and then the background color is gray, and then the text decoration is none, then margin right is 1px. This for nav only a hover can add background color is what we're gonna choose or light blue. Okay, you can control save, and then we're gonna see the output in browser, and then this is the result. When we hover, when we click, it turns up sky blue, and it's really cool. Then we go to Visual Studio Code again, and we make several new file. You can add admin underscore teacher.php, enter, and then we're gonna fill that with this. You can copy, Control C, and copy right here, and we can change it. Save, and you can make for student and SPP like that. like this, save, and you can go right here, you can reload, and this is the first page, and this is the teacher page, this is student page, and this is a paper page, like this. And then we're gonna make lookout right here, lookout.php, and we can put syntax PHP, and the session start, and session destroy. Then the header is location in login.php. It means it'll go back to login if you're logged out. Okay, so we're gonna try it. Reload, and if you click the logout, you enter the login page again, and you have to fill the username and password. And then we can go to localhost, and we're gonna add one more. Here I'm gonna insert. Then we're gonna add the username is teacher, and don't forget the password will be MD5. I forgot that before, but you have to add. This is MD5, I mean. And then you're gonna fill that with teacher and go. Then you can see in browser, we already have the username and teacher. We're gonna try teacher, log into system, and it will show up all of them. And our plan, we're gonna just show the teacher page, not with the student page and SPP page. So we're gonna make the other table. We make new, and then the table is master access, like this, and we're just gonna fill the two. This is the access underscore ID, and it's integer, and the length is 25, and this is for name. It's varchar. You can fill that with 100, and you can click this as usual, and we just add 2. You can save, and if it's done, you change this type into varchar, and then you can insert access ID is teacher, and this is teacher2, and then make it for student and student2, go. Then we can insert one more, SPP, SPP2, go. Okay, you can click browse, and we already have 3. Okay, then for the connection between admin and master access, and between the access ID and login ID in admin, we make a new table, click new, and then make the table with name admin access, like this, and then the name is login ID and access ID, like this, and the login ID is integer, the access ID is varchar, and the length is, this is just 10, 100, it's okay, but I want to fill that 30, and then we don't have to checklist one of this because it's we got from these two, so you can just click save, and we already have like this. And then for make it connect, we can click this relation view, and then we add access ID. For multi-user, the table is master access, and then the column is access ID. Then you can save, and like this. And we're gonna make the other one. This is login ID, multi-user from admin, and in login ID. Save, and it's done. You can see in the browse, no, in the structure, the table structure, yeah, it's the key, it's turning gray. For the real in master access, the primary key, it's yellow, like this. And we're already done to at the relation view like this, and we'll try to insert, and we can change the admin one, and this is for teacher, and admin one, this is for student. Go. Okay, it's teacher and student, and we're gonna try insert one again. Admin one is SPP. Go, and you can see right here we already have three. This is login ID from admin, and this is access ID from master access. Okay, and then we go to Visual Studio Code, and we're going to login again, and then we can go down, and right here we're gonna make a new if we're gonna make a new condition if empty the ERR, and then it will show $login ID equal $R1, the login ID dot comma, and then enter, and then $SQL1 equal select star from admin access where login ID equal $login ID like this, then dot comma, or right here we forgot the one. Okay, like this, and then we're gonna make dollar and then $Q1 equal MySQL underscore query, and then dollar connection, and $SQL1 dot comma, and then while I'm gonna use while $R1 equal MySQL fetch array, and then $Q1 this, enter, then $access like this equal $R1 access ID dot comma, this save, and then gonna continue below this if empty, that's $access, and then $ERR dot equal, gonna use Lee again, and you don't have access to admin page, this, and then dot comma, like this. You can save and see right here. You can try. And then we go to table admin. Then we're gonna try to insert. The username is student and the password is student2. Go. Then we're gonna try and fill with the student. Log into system. And as you can see, you don't have access to admin page like that. We're gonna go to Visual Studio Code and we go to header, and right here we're gonna make in the first page, we're gonna add in below syntax PHP, like this, and then if in array teacher, I have to fill it this teacher, and then we get comma and $session in admin access, like this, and then this one close, and we put this make syntax PHP again, and this is the okay, like this, and you can copy this if down like this, and this is for student, and this one is for SPE, and we're gonna erase it. So it can be like this, and this is SPP page and student page. Save, and if it's done, we go to admin teacher, and right here below the include, make if exclamation point and an in array that with teacher $session and then admin access, like this. Oh, it's for this one, and then right here under the echo is you don't have access. Like this, and then we're gonna copy the footer, Control C, and paste it right here, include the footer, and then exit. We can save, and then we go to localhost and insert for the field, and the access ID is student. This is for the teacher can access the student page. Go, and it's result, so the teacher can access the student page but the student can access the teacher page and etc. I think it's enough. Sorry for many mistakes. Yeah, thank you for watching and see you guys.